Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Appalachian Tiger Sauce. Before we get into today's video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified. So we're going to get out a bowl, and we're going to add half a cup of mayonnaise and a third of a cup of ketchup. And I just want to point out that Appalachian is pronounced Appalachian, not Appalachian. Appalachian. That was kind of close. Not Appalachian. Then you're going to add a third of a cup of creamy horseradish. And I say that as someone who grew up in the Appalachian foothills and went to college there. And I added some smoked paprika and some sugar. And we're going to mix that up. And if it's too thick, you can add just a little splash of water. That will thin it out just a little bit if you like a thinner sauce. But it's really simple, and this is a really great sauce. We did a barbecue event this weekend, and people put it on their barbecue. It was one of the favorites that people asked for. So that and Lexington style sauce, because we're near Lexington, North Carolina. But this is really great. You can put it on anything. It's really great to have in the fridge, and the horseradish gives it just enough like bite. And I love that about a sauce. But there it is. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.